All right, guys. Hi, everyone. We are home in our little apartment and we are getting ready to move. We're packing everything up because we just want to hurry up and be ready. And we actually got the news that our tiny house will be delivered on Friday. So we're just going to kill some time. There's not much actually. And then we have a little blanket because we like to make it all dark in here when we watch movies. But we don't have a lot of stuff, which is good because we can't fit a lot of stuff. Look at all the toys we got. So that's going to be fun. But yeah, this is our little home. We are ready to be out of here. So we will bring you along for the ride. And we'll see you guys later. All right, guys, we're back and we're pretty much all ready to move. We just have the bed that we have to take apart. Closets are empty. Just a little laundry. Bathroom's pretty good. Just have what we need left. We took the shelves out. So we're ready. And then this is our little pile. All our stuff that we're taking with us. We're gonna load up my car, his truck, and then use the U-Haul for all of our furniture. There's our kitchen, a little bit of a mess, but it's gonna be a long drive. A lot of driving back and forth because we have to take my car, his truck, do the U-Haul. So here we are. And then hopefully we'll see you when we have our tiny home.